Today I'm going to visit my little sister. Hello, Miss Jane. I'm here to visit my little sister.
She just sits there all day, always looking so sad. She won't eat or drink anything at all.
You missed me a lot, didn't you? I'm sorry I couldn't come visit you sooner. Let me see if my sweet little sister has grown a bit since last time. I have to go now, but I'll come visit you again soon.